In this video, we will discuss how to connect your computer to the internet on a Wi-Fi network, to your cell phone, or to a hotspot device. To connect to a network at your shop, click on the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right of your screen in the taskbar. Find your Wi-Fi network here, select it, and check the box to Connect automatically. If your network is password protected, it will prompt you to enter the password. If you do not know the password, please contact your IT person or manager. If you plan on emailing templated files from the job site, you will need a mobile hotspot through your phone or a personal hotspot device. If using a personal hotspot device, power it on. Click the Wi-Fi icon on your tablet, find the device, click Connect, and type in your password by using the keyboard function. You are now connected to the internet and able to email files back to your shop. If you're using an iPhone, click Settings, turn on your personal hotspot, and now it will display a password. On your computer, click on the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right-hand corner of our taskbar. Select the name of your phone, check the Connect Automatically box. If you are prompted for a PIN, select Connect using a security key instead. Enter your password and click Connect. On an Android device, go to Settings, Network, Tethering. Tap on Mobile Hotspot to turn it on. A window should appear showing your password and an option to enable. We now should be able to send emails back to the shop. In this video, we will cover the steps needed to ensure that your Laser Templator software is up to date, as well as implementing Windows updates on your tablet. Before starting, please make sure that your tablet is plugged in and charging before performing these updates. First, be sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. To see if your Windows software is up to date, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the bottom left corner of this window, you will see a gear symbol. Click on this icon to open Settings. Then click on Update and Security, and you will see a Check for Updates button, or updates that may be downloaded but have yet to be installed. If you do have a Check for Updates button, click the button and Windows will recheck for updates and install them if needed. After the updates are completed, Windows may ask you to restart your computer to complete the updates. Complete this step while connected to Wi-Fi before heading out to the job site, as Windows sometimes needs a connection to finish installing programs after the restart. To update your Laser Templator software, make sure your tablet is connected to the internet. Open the Laser Templator software and it will automatically check to see if updates are available. If a newer version is available, a window will appear saying a newer version of this application was found. Would you like to update? Click Yes to start the download and update process. Once complete, click the Launch Laser Templator Software button. If you have any additional questions regarding Windows or Laser Templator software updates, please contact Tech Support at 630-679-1300. In this video, we will show you how to set up your email in the Laser Templator software. Before beginning, consult with your IT department or write down all of your email settings by referring to pages 17 through 19 of our user manual. Once this step is completed, open the Laser Templator software. Select Edit, then Options. In the left-hand column, select Email. Here, you will enter details including the port number, login password, username, and sender's email address. Now, try sending a test email. If unsuccessful, contact your IT personnel first. If you are still having problems, call our technical support team for further assistance. If you plan on using a Gmail account, a button is provided for you. Simply enter your Gmail address and password to log into this account, as well as your sender's name. Next, open the web browser and log into your Gmail account. In the top right corner, select your account icon and then select My Account. Select Sign In and Security scroll down about 3/4 of a page and turn on Allow Less Secure Apps. We can now return to your laser Templator software and send a test email to ensure it's working. If you have any questions or problems, please contact your IT staff first. If additional troubleshooting is required, please call our technical support staff. In this video, we will show you how to connect the laser to the software. Make sure your tablet computer is powered on. Now plug in the USB cable to the tablet. Next, power on our laser by pushing the power button. Make sure that the laser is powered on and the USB cable is plugged in before opening the software. Now double-tap the icon for the Laser Templator software. It will prompt you to ensure that the 2D 3D is locked in position by aligning the two red dots. Once this is complete, select OK. Your laser is now connected to the software. If your laser does not appear to be connected to the software, select File and Connect to Laser. If your laser is still not connecting to the software, try closing and restarting the Laser Templator software. If additional help is needed, please contact our technical support team for assistance. In this video, we will show you how to set up specific colors for measuring different layers. Different colors will allow you to represent different edges and finishes on your templates. Colors may also be used to represent layers or tool paths for your CNC. Most shops also like to maintain consistency with their color representation, allowing a shop to standardize certain colors for certain measurement types or layers. It is very important to create or edit your color options before measuring a job by opening the software, creating, selecting, or editing your colors, then exiting the software. Making color changes while measuring a job may create unintended colors or errors. On the right side menu, select Color. Under Edge Type, select the field and type in a description for that color. For example, you can designate a specific color to represent measures for cabinet base, walls, finished edge, miter, drop edge, or seam. Under Line Type, choose your desired dashed or continuous line. There is also checkboxes allowing you to turn on or off certain colors, which can make your templates easier to edit. Under the Amount option, you can enter a linear foot per dollar amount for estimating purposes, which will help estimate a cost per linear foot on a specific color or edge type. The last column allows you to assign a color for your seams. You will only need one color to represent seams. This function was added so that when you create a line that represents your seam, it will create two lines in order to split the pieces and represent two complete polygons. On the right side of this window, you can set your defaults for certain functions. Default color refers to the color line of which your software will start. For example, if you always prefer to measure cabinet bases first, you should select this color as your default. Dimensions and text defaults are in black for easy visibility when printed on paper for your shop sheets. For backsplash color, you choose a flat polish color or raw cut, then revise what color gets changed to the raw cut line. There are also a few buttons in the bottom right corner of this screen. The top two buttons are for creating a new color or removing an existing color. To add a color, click New Color and select the color. It will be added to your list and you can rename the color. You can also select an existing color and click Remove and Yes to delete that color. You can also choose to revise and revise all. If you have multiple colors on your screen that you want to change to one color, select the desired color and click Revise All. Now, every line is that color. Choose Revise if you want to change the color of specific lines on a select drawing. Select the color we want to change, click Revise, then click on just the lines you want to change to this color. To change the color you are measuring and drawing in, select Colors, pick the color, then click Select. Verify in the top right corner of your screen that your chosen color and description are the desired selection. If you selected a color by accident, you can select Cancel to exit this menu. In this video, we will be covering the proper way to set up your 2D, 3D laser templator for measuring a countertop. Unclamp the upper legs of the tripod, as this is the ideal height for most countertops. Make sure the peg hole is facing you. Place the 2D, 3D on the tripod and rotate the lower micro adjust knob to your dominant hand side. Fully tighten and secure the T-knob into the laser. Failure to do so will lead to inaccurate measurements. Lock the laser by aligning the two red dots on the top of the laser and engaging the lock. The lock will either automatically engage, or you may need to twist the lock until it engages. Place the tablet bracket peg into the peg hole and connect the laser USB cord to the tablet. Make sure you have slack for the laser to rotate freely. Power on the tablet by pressing the silver button, then turn on the laser by pressing the power button. Double tap the laser Templator icon to launch the software. Press OK on the message box. You are now ready to set a plane and begin templating. In this video, we will be covering laser positioning. Make sure the tripod is on a secure surface, as the laser system needs to remain stable during the entire templating process. In most instances, you will want to set up in front of the sink or the cabinet sink center. This allows for the best angle for measuring the sink center and countertops. Alternate positions may be required based on obstacles and the use of targets. Once the location is determined, set up the laser and position all targets before starting to measure. Now we can start measuring without leaving the laser.